Hey friends, it's Alessandra, and it is Tuesday before Ian hits, Hurricane Ian, and I thought, we have a lot of changes in the yard and we need to update you guys anyways, and so why not do a pre-hurricane update, September garden tour update, and worm update maybe? To the tour. Wally. There's Moose. Moose just got groomed. Besides Moose and his new groom, you might notice we have no more planters. No more planters. We are officially moving out of Florida, and probably within mostly the next month or so. And it's about time for us to start getting the planters broken down. So that's why you see a lot of dirt here where we took all of the pavers up. There was almost 2 dozen or over 2 dozen 20-inch pavers that we put in during the pandemic. You guys probably remember. Those all got rehomed. All of my city pickers, those are gone. The city pickers all went to a new home, but I'm keeping all of my earth boxes and my jumbo city picker. I have more of my root and veggie earth boxes somewhere else right now, but yeah, this is all that I'm gonna bring with me. My trellises, my caviar lime is going to a new home. But don't worry, nothing was wasted really. As much dirt as possible went to another home. The roses all got new homes. The citrus on the side of the house got new homes. A lot of the flowers got rehomed. All of the herbs that could be salvaged, the milkweed, tons and tons of milkweed, all went to new homes with people that are local that can help keep the tropical milkweed going. So I know Wally's like, it's dinner time. But yeah, the side of the house is empty. We took the poles down. Obviously, they're taped up over there. We're just prepping for the hurricane. We're in central Florida, so we're not getting the direct hit of it right out of the Gulf, but we'll still get hurricane force winds most likely. So things are getting bricked down, kind of compacted together. The gate is tied together, we'll say. You'll notice we pile a lot of things together because we don't want any of this getting airborne. So there's bricks on stuff. It's all layered. We got heavy stuff mixed into everything, weighed down. There's bricks inside those. Those aren't going anywhere. But it's really weird just seeing the yard so empty, isn't it? From my count, we had over 30 containers between the city pickers, the earth boxes, the earth box fruit and veggies, the random containers we had over here, our green stalks. We had over 30 containers. And yeah, not anymore. So as far as hurricane prep goes, we don't have a lot to really worry about. Everything is weighed down, and we put, oh yeah, even the compost tumbler, that's gone too. That went to a new home. But everything has bricks in it, or is weighted down one way or another, so that way it can't get airborne. And honestly, it's going to start filling with water as soon as the rain starts up again. And yeah, it's not going anywhere. This lime, I pulled the watering system from it a week ago, and I was a little worried about it. And then it turned out Hurricane Ian was coming. I did just want to point out, just have a little moment together with you guys, because some of you remember way back when we started sharing garden updates, the sweet almond bush, probably my favoriteest thing that I've ever planted. We literally bought it, it could sit in the back seat of my car, no problem. It was labeled as a bush. Look at how far it has come in just 5 or 6 years, and this is by far my absolute most favorite thing that I planted, because the pollinators love it. It is my hive, my swarm up there, and there's so much great nectar for them and food and resources. And I get bit and stung by everything, and I've never been bit or stung or anything by the bees. Worst case scenario is Moose stepped on a bee and he got stung, but nothing a little Benadryl can't fix. But yeah, I hope it survives the storm. If nothing else, after we leave, I hope it can remain here and be a source for the pollinators, but unfortunately that's not up to me. The only thing really left to share is the porch update. Maybe a quick Moose update. Hello, Moose. So we're really lucky that Moose loves outside. He wants to be outside all the time, being in the rain even more. Wally is consistently wants to be inside with the air conditioning. Right, Wally? You want to go inside? Yeah, he knows it's dinner time. But actually, while we're over here, the porch, we are gonna work on that. But I just wanted to get the outside done because obviously it's getting cloudy out. It was raining earlier, so I can work on a lot of the porch. Even if it starts raining into the night, I can get into that. Got a lot of work to do because we don't want a lot of this being airborne. But for now, we're off to a good start. Oh yeah, the worms. The worms are doing okay. I put, well, you can see my Boomer Shroomer mushroom tub here. That had always shiitake mushrooms that went south. Not bad mold, but just didn't work out. So I put that mixture substrate in here because it's a lot of coconut coir. So I think it's okay. They haven't died. The worms haven't died from what I can tell. So I think they're doing okay. But I did put a big bag of frozen watermelon in recently, and a lot of shredded paper and tissues and bedding because I want them to be cozy as the barometric pressure changes out here. We don't want some sort of like mass exodus. Not that I think they could easily in the urban worm bag, but nevertheless. All right, fellas, you ready for dinner? You ready? We go get dinner? Yeah? Okay. All right, friends. For those of you in Florida with me, stay safe, and I'll give you guys an update as soon as I can. But until next time, bye, friends. Bye, Moose. Moose doesn't care.